Hi friends, welcome back to BB's Kitchen. Today we are going to make an authentic dish from the northern side of Kerala, the Kannur side, which is called as the KakkaRotti. It is a super delicious dish which each one of you should try in your lifetime. I will not say it's very easy, but it is worth trying it. So please try this recipe and don't forget to like my channel, okay? Now let's go to the ingredients. Chicken half kg, rice flour 2 cups, 1 whole coconut grated, 4 medium sized onions sliced into thin pieces, 2 medium sized tomatoes sliced, 3 tablespoons of garlic, 8 to 10 green chilies, around 20 shallots, 2 tablespoons of Kashmiri Chilly Powder, 4 tablespoons of Coriander Powder, 2 tablespoons of chicken masala, around half a teaspoon of Turmeric Powder, 3 tablespoons of Fennel salt as per taste, few curry leaves, few coriander leaves chopped, oil for making the chicken curry, water for boiling and then mixing the rice flour. Now we will make the dough first and then we will start with the chicken curry. Now for making the dough we must make a small masala for the dough. So for that we take the coconut, around half a cup of coconut grated, one tablespoon of fennel seeds, around 6 to 7 shallots. Now we'll crush this and then mix it with the rice flour and make a dough. So this is the way you have to grind the coconut, fennels and shallots to a paste. Now we will be adding this to the rice flour, mixing it well, and using boiling water we will make a dough. So this is our rice flour. To this we will be adding a coconut mixture, so I mixed it well. Now we will be adding the boiling water little by little and keep mixing it and make a dough out of it. I'll show you after I make a dough. This is the way you have to mix it, and because it's very hot you cannot put your hands into it, so you'll just keep it for some time, around 2 to 3 minutes to cool down. It mustn't cool down completely. When it is still warm we have to make it into a nice dough. Just leave it like this for 3 to 4 minutes. So this is the way you have to make a dough. It must be like we have to make a balls out of it, so it should be like this. So from this we will make small balls. Just take small and make a small ball, neat ball, and then press it with your thumb, and we'll just place it on a plate. If you want, you can dip your hand in little water or oil. Just take small balls from this, circle it, make a smooth ball out of it, and then press it with your thumb like this. This is the shape of the KakkaRotti. So we'll make all the shapes like this. From this dough, and then I'll show it to you. So now this is the way you have to make it. After this we will steam this and then we'll move on to the next step. So our roti and all is cooked up. See, this is the way we have to cook it. It's nicely cooked. So now we'll just make the chicken curry and we'll add this to the chicken. Now to a jar, let's add in the ginger, garlic, and around 8 green chilies, 1 tablespoon of fennel seeds. Now we'll crush this and I'll show you after that. Now I crushed the ginger, garlic, fennel seeds and green chilies. This is the way we need it. To the chicken, let's add in 1 tablespoon of ginger garlic paste, a pinch of turmeric powder, half a teaspoon of salt, and we'll just mix it well and keep it aside. Okay, now let's start with the chicken curry. For that we have to make a small gravy with the coconut. So let's get started. To a pan, let's add in half a cup of coconut, grated, I'll just fry it little bit. To this we'll add around 8 shallots and keep frying it. So I'm adding a few curry leaves also to this and just keep frying. So when the coconut reaches this stage, we'll add in 1 tablespoon of fennel seeds, and a pinch of turmeric powder and mix well. Just fry for 2 to 3 minutes. Remove from the flame and then when it is cooled down, let's grind it to a fine paste. So now I have fried the coconuts well. Now switch off the flame and let it cool down. So now we start with the chicken curry. So I have taken a bigger size vessel so that we make the chicken curry and then the KakkaRotti, and we have to mix it up together. So for that I have taken a bigger size pan. When it is hot, let's add in oil. Now the oil is hot, let's add in the onions, and fry it to golden brown. So now the onions have started changing color. At this stage we will add in 2 tablespoons of ginger garlic paste, now we'll fry until the raw flavor of the ginger garlic goes. Now we'll add in the coriander powder, 4 tablespoons of coriander powder, and fry it. Next, 2 tablespoons of Kashmiri Chilly Powder, a pinch of turmeric powder. Now just fry it until the raw flavor goes. 1 or 2 minutes. Now I'll add in the chopped tomatoes and mix well. So I have mixed the tomatoes well. At this stage we'll add in a marinated chicken. Give it a nice stir. So I mix the chicken well with the masalas. Now we'll just cover it and leave it to cook for around 80 to 90%. After that we will put the coconut mixture to it. So our chicken is around 90% cooked. At this stage we'll add in 2 tablespoons of chicken masala and just mix well. Then I have grinded the coconut which I have fried first. So this I'll be adding now to this chicken. Add a little bit water and wash the mixing well and pour it into it. Now mix well. I'm adding little bit more of water. Mix it well and cook for around 3 to 4 minutes. So now it is started boiling little. Check for the salt. We had added salt to the chicken when we had marinated. For me that's enough. If it is less, you can add it at this stage. Now you can see the oil is started coming on top. At this stage we'll add in little bit of coriander leaves and mix. So this is what we have made before. This we will be adding at this stage. We will be adding to the chicken gravy. Mix it well. reduce the flame and leave it covered for 5 minutes. I'll show you after 5 minutes. So now our KakkaRotti has been prepared. We have a last tempering part. For that, let's keep a pan to get heated and add in ghee to it. Around 2 tablespoons of ghee. I forgot to mention it in the ingredients. So this is 2 tablespoons of ghee I have added. To this, we'll add in a few, around 4 to 5 shallots chopped. And a few curry leaves. Fry nicely and add it to our KakkaRotti. This is the tempering for it. So now this is ready. Now we'll just pour it on top of our KakkaRotti and I'll serve it and show it to you. So our tasty KakkaRotti is ready. This is a very delicious recipe. Everyone should try this. Actually, this dish is made with beef. Here I have used chicken. It tastes as good as beef itself. It's very tasty. Everyone, please try this recipe at home and don't forget to subscribe to my channel, and also please do like, comment and share all my videos with your family members and friends. The ingredients are given in the description box. Please go and check it out and try this recipe. Everyone will love it. Thanks for watching. See you soon with another recipe. Bye.